Okay, question number 9. In an experiment, a metal ball is dropped into a viscous liquid. The terminal velocity of the ball in the liquid is measured. The experiment is repeated 4 times. For each experiment repeat, a change is made to one of the following. One of the changes has been made. Okay. The density of the metal ball, height. Okay. What are the 4 options are given? Which 2 changes affect separately the terminal velocity of the ball in the liquid? Okay. By changing any one of them, definitely terminal velocity will change. So he is asking you which of them will happen. Okay, so now when you have a container containing a viscous liquid and you drop a metal ball into it, as it goes down, it undergoes a terminal velocity. Why should it undergo terminal velocity? Because there is a drag force and there is a W force, and as a result of it, and also there is a buoyancy force. And hence these two will sum up to equal to this one here, and as a result of it, it will experience. Now, if you change the density of the metal ball, what can happen? The weight of the metal ball will increase. When the weight increases, there is a probability that this will definitely, the force here will be larger than this, and hence this will sink. So definitely this will sink or affect the terminal velocity. So this could be one of the answers. The height from which the ball is dropped. Now instead of dropping the ball from here, if I drop it from here, then what can happen? Anyway, the impact speed will change, but the forces which are acting inside the fluid will not change. So therefore, this is not going to affect your terminal velocity. Terminal velocity is affected only because of the nature of the medium, okay, and also the nature of the object or the property of the object. It does not depend upon what height you have been thrown. So therefore, it does not depend on this. The density of the liquid, definitely it appears. For example, initially when we are doing this experiment in the lab, we use it with a castor oil or a gingery oil or a coconut oil. But if I don't use it with these oils, if I use it with water, what do you think you will get it? You won't get terminal velocity. It will definitely change. Okay. So as a result of it, it depends on density of the fluid, also depth of the liquid. No, whether you take a smaller column or a larger column, it appears the same. So therefore, it does not depend on it. So therefore, it's 1 and 3. Answer is 1 and 3 is B over here.